What is good, YouTube? It's your boy FTJ here back with another video. And today, guys, I'll be playing Subway Surfers. And not just a regular Subway Surfers, but the Subway Surfers is hacked. And currently, it is 6:27 in the morning, guys. I'm doing this for y'all. As y'all see, an ad popped up on my phone. That's how you know it's hacked. What? All these ads, guys, so annoying. But this is how you know it's hacked. If all the ads are popping up. See, I did not update it yet. I'm still in RB or whatever. And look at my coins in my case. I hacked the game and I maxed out the level. So every time I unlock it, I just get these things. So yeah. Oh, that's two. What you call it? Back to back. 2 trophies. And then I'm gonna show you guys my characters. Almost every character. So I get these 3. Oh, what did I get? Two. I already know. This is the board I use. Cause that's super jump. Super jump is like you double tap it and it goes really high. So I'm gonna use bouncer. And now see I got them hit starts. You guys see my top. I'm gonna start over and show you guys something. Top run. Look where I'm at, guys. I'm at diamond right now. So I'm gonna try to beat my. Well, I don't know, just do this. But I'm gonna try to do the high score, and if I can beat it, today earlier, I might do a double upload. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button. I'll do a triple upload. So I gotta make sure I have a lot of hoverboards. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's get it on. I don't really like this one, so sorry guys. What is this? Oh, pick up 100 power-ups. See, I got a whole bunch. I might get those. Which one is it? I'm gonna use the great white shark. I'll show you guys why I'm gonna get the great white shark. See, I have every upgrade maxed out, so I gotta buy more of these. Yeah, I always keep it on 106 because I use 3 at a time. You already know, 2. See? And if you guys have iOS or iPhone, basically, go to Safari, type in appvalley.vip, and then click the download inactive, and then it's gonna start downloading. And then if the app doesn't work immediately, click the go to your general, and I'll show you guys after this video. I'll just show you guys. But that's how I hacked the game. And you can hack like Clash of Clans and stuff on there too. And like you can get different types of things on there. Cause that's how I got Snapchat Silver, guys. So I'll show you guys after this gameplay right now. And this is why I chose this board, because this particular reason. So yeah. See, that's my high score right there. So I'm trying to beat that, so then we can go against this other dude. As you guys hear my voice right now, It's early, so just getting some early gameplay in. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you enjoy this. This is a way to hack too. This is a way to hack Subway Surfers. I'll show you at the end of the video, but enjoy this right now. And if you have Lucky Patcher, if you have like Android, I will ask my sister, can I borrow her phone? My sister has an Android. I have an iPhone right now, so I can't use my iPhone to show you guys. But I will try to download Lucky Patcher on my phone. Because I have File Manager, this app where you can check your files. So I'm going to check my files on that for you guys. So make sure you hit that like button. When you get this video with 10 likes, I will post a video like, I don't know, like Madden. Because I can't post my PlayStation right now because I got banned for some reason. So I have to call Sony to get my account back, see what happened. And I'll be back on that PlayStation on Monday. I don't have it posted in a long time, but here it is. I'm spending all my coins. I'm just dying. I don't know how. Oh, damn. Oh, that was so close, guys. I know y'all seen that. No, I hate that. That's the only one thing I hate about that shark one. Oh my god, I have a big high score. So guys, if we can get number 1 spot on those lists, that's gonna be so beast. And yes, I'm connected to Facebook on this thing. So yeah. But that's the only reason why I made Facebook, because Subway Surfers. Oh yeah, we inside the tunnel. Oh, we're flying. Oh, that was nice. That was my trick right there. So yeah, guys. So y'all see that I got 2 mil high score just because I hacked this junk. And this thing, like the hack, it works for iOS 9, 10, and 11. I'm currently using 11 right now, and I gotta update it, but I don't feel like, because I might have to start over, but I'm still gonna have my coins, and I don't feel like buying all the things to get me back to X30 and all that. So I'm just gonna stay in RB, whatever it's called right now. Are you serious? Bro, I keep dying every time. I'm so trash. I got on my wrong hoverboard, that's why. Usually, guys, I use hoverboards. That's why I have 300 hoverboards. So I use hoverboards a lot. I had 400, but guess what? I used 100 of them. I hate my high score. It's too big. How much you guys want to bet I used probably like 30, 20 of my hoverboards? Like, my high score is so big. I need another one. The smaller one. But you know how high scores be triple. Like, I was thinking, I was like, let me just make this quick YouTube for them. Since I haven't been on. I was watching Netflix currently. Oh, I missed it. Oh yeah, get those double bounce shoes. Don't. Oh, you serious? Don't. No. Oh. Thought I died right there. Y'all thought. Get that magnet back. See, that's one thing I like about the shark one. It gives you like fast boosts. Some of them, yeah, some of them do, some of them don't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go check that out after this. Yeah, see, I got 5,000 coins. 5,000 on my last one. When I got the high score, I had 10,000 coins. But right now I got 5,000. So yeah, I think I'm getting a little close. But I had a lot of jetpacks. So like, I'm gonna run, get a whole bunch of jetpacks. Right now I'm just getting a whole bunch of sneakers. It's so easy. If y'all can hear the TV, that's my little sister. She's watching Elena of Avalor Disney Channel. Gang gang. You already know. We live in the fall. I wasn't playing music with this gameplay, but since I decided to talk on it, I didn't. What the? See, that's one thing I don't like about the shark one. If you guys know what the freestyle hoverboard is, that's the one I really use. So, hashtag freestyler in the comments section. I will try to leave the link to the app Valley so you guys can download it and then hack Subway Surfers or like Clash of Clans. And you also can hack 8-Ball Pool with it. You can hack like Spotify, get unlimited skips, Pandora, get unlimited skips, Snapchat Silver. I have Snapchat Silver. I'll show you guys after, but let's just try to beat this high score. Yeah, get that check back. Put like hit that like button if you always go for the coins when you're doing a jetpack, and dislike if you don't. Cause like sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. When I have the magnet, I don't. But when I don't have the magnet, I do. So yeah. Yo, I'll drop my phone. Alright, we still have 1.3 million to go. I hate this. We have to beat this 1.3 million. Oh my god. I get it. See, that's the one thing I like about it when it goes down, but other than that, no. You see what I'm talking about now, guys? No, I don't care. They spent 8 coins. Oh my god. Alright, 1.2 mil now to beat. I might not even jump with this hoverboard since it's doing this. Get that lot of money, ching ching bang. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? That's 16 coins right there. Alright, I'm not spending no more coins. If I die, I die.